What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video. Today I wanted to make a video honestly just showing you guys how passive income is so abundant all around us. And I want to go ahead and show you guys this. I was just doing some research, just some basic research on my own, looking at some cool things, just getting some ideas. Because, sometimes you could get some artist blocks, some mental blocks. And I'm just looking around, and I thought this was pretty interesting. So I was thinking of creating different cool wolf shirt ideas, right? Like a different wolf t-shirts with different themes and things like that, just for fun. Because as you guys know, I'm actually working behind the scenes on some of my own print-on-demand stores on different platforms like Shopify and WordPress and things like that. Creating my own stores outside of Redbubble, outside of Zazzle, outside of Society6, outside of all these different platforms, and really owning my own platform. The thing is I was looking around and I wanted to get some just some cool ideas. And sometimes the basic things do the best. Sometimes it's not even about, being complicated. It's not even about being an artist. But sometimes you can generate loads of passive income from basic stuff. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about here. I typed in the word wolf, and the word wolf, the cool thing about this software that I'm using right now, if you don't know, it's called Merch Informer. I'm not trying to sell it to you. It's a software that I personally use. It costs $9.99 a month for the cheap plan. For the expensive plan, which is a little more, for the auto upload, things like that, it costs a little bit more, but that's not the point. I'll leave the link in the description along with the discount code if you're interested. But anyways, this software shows me from the highest selling product to the lowest selling product for the specific keyword that I search, right? So if I search for wolf, you have this design, then you have this one, then this one, then this one. And as you go down, right, it's essentially organized by the rankings, right, the amount of sales that it can generate. And the cool thing about all of this, guys, is that these shirts is they give me ideas. And what I'm looking here is this is a basic picture of a wolf, right? It's just colorful. It's got some paint on it. But yet, look at the amount of sales that it generates a day. 16 sales it generates a day. Now, I want you guys to be aware of the price here. The price is $19.98. Okay? Now, if we just go and check out the profit margins, a product that's $19.99 generates a royalty of $5.23. That means that this product roughly generates $5.22 in royalties. Now, mind you, this product generates 16 sales a day. Estimated. So if you multiply 16 times 5, let's go ahead and do this again. Sorry, 5.22, right? That is $83.52 per day. Now that doesn't seem like a lot to a lot of people, but let's be honest. This is every day, and this is one t-shirt design. So if I go here and take this 83.52 and I multiply this by 30, this is $2,505.06 or 60 cents, whatever, a month. This is a month just from one t-shirt. And it's not like this person had to ship it out or do any of that work. This is just, here. There's no reason why anybody else watching this can't do the same thing, even me. There's no reason why we can't do this. Now, I'm just curious. I'm going to take this brand and I'm going to actually search it on the merchant search. I'm just curious if anything pops up. Let's go ahead and see here and see if the software can capture something. And I'm doing this in front of you guys live for the first time. It's not like I've done this before. So I'm curious to see the results. Now, the software, as it's scraping through the data, as it's looking through merch by Amazon, I want to go ahead and take a look. Let's see here, zero total results. So for some reason, it just can't find it. Let's go ahead and search for the keyword wolf here. I just want to see the keyword wolf, live products. Let's go ahead and search. I want to just get more data. See, there's more data here. So this one gets 23 sales a day, estimating. This is more. This one has still 16 sales, and this is the exact same design. There's a lot to this that really just intrigues me, guys. I get so interested when I see this kind of stuff. I want to click on view in a new window. Let's go ahead and see this. I don't want to see this, actually. Sorry, guys. I'm just looking at the different things here going on, but this is interesting to me, right? The reason why this is interesting is because I think, okay, logically, if somebody can do this, if you can make a t-shirt that looks like this, right? And it doesn't have to, and here's the thing, guys. If we make a t-shirt that looks exactly like that, it won't work. We can't replicate the system. But if we can replicate the idea, where a simple design can make all the difference. And this is actually relates back to, if you guys remember, I want to go to new incognito tab here. I want to go on YouTube, and I want to go show you guys one of the videos that I made not too long ago. I had a certain process behind how you can take a photo and how you could turn it into a painting. And that painting, you could take it and upload it into different print-on-demand sites and make loads of income. And I actually did it with a picture of a wolf. I'm trying to remember where here it is. This is the video, turning a photo into a masterpiece painting. You could take this painting and sell it on these print-on-demand platforms. Anybody here watching this, I don't care if you're from India, from America, it doesn't matter where you're from, you can do this just like anybody else can. And you could be that person that generates these large numbers. I want to tell you guys a quick little short story. Not going to be something that's climactic or anything, but when I first started in business, I used to dream of, what it would take to make $1,000 a month, or, $500 a month, whatever it was. And it was a slow buildup. But what I realized is that I had to see examples like this to truly believe that it's out there for me, because I didn't know about things like this. I didn't know that it was a possibility. But look, there are these people making money doing this stuff. Now I wish I could see, what else is this person doing? You know what I'm saying? In their business, that they could take it this far. And you could see here that they have another design here, but it's not much of anything really. But there's a lot of success, guys. There's a lot of success, and success is everywhere in plethora for us. We just need to go out and grab it. Sometimes it takes creativity. I'm sure this person had to be a little creative to come up with these certain ideas. I'll tell you a story one time. I remember distinctively, when the very first time I created a piece of merch that wasn't really searched for, yet I was getting 2, 3, 4, 10 sales a day on that piece of design, and it almost felt like this moment of clarity. It almost felt like this, I don't know how to explain it, this emotion that I felt like I'm getting a better handle on print on demand at this point. And I was thinking to myself, if I did this once, I could do this over and over and over again. And that to me was an example of a winning design. And I did. I went on to replicate the ideas. And when I say replicate, I'm not saying exactly copy the same picture and do it over again. What I'm saying is I came up with new ideas, new concepts, new things that were going to essentially give me the same result. And it's a slow buildup. But the thing is that the more you're in the game, the more you have the ability to make money. Now, just curious, out of curiosity, if we take this month and multiply this by 12, that's 30 grand a month just from one t-shirt, guys. 30 grand a month. Now, if you imagine you have 10 of these t-shirts, 20, 4, 50, 100 of these t-shirts, you could do a lot of success on print on demand. And I've seen a video the other day where it was somebody who was saying, he was talking to the camera, and he was saying, I'm quitting print on demand, it's too difficult, it's dead, it's super saturated, all this kind of stuff. But guys, there are other people out there making it. It's not like this person has 4,000 reviews or ratings, 194 ratings. This t-shirt might be available, maybe it was published a year and a half ago, based on the amount of reviews it has. All I'm trying to say here is that success is within everybody, and if this doesn't inspire you, I don't know what else is. Because when I look at numbers like this is super inspiring to me. To see that somebody's making 30 grand just from one single design that could have took 5 minutes to make, 10 minutes to make, hell, even an hour, who cares, right? For me, you never know what hits, and the reality is, and I actually did this within the course, if you guys are familiar with the course, inside the design course, when I was doing the designs, one of the designs that I uploaded inside the design course, for those who don't know, the design course, I did a video on the design course where I created 60 designs live in front of people, and it took me about a half hour to make. Or it was about 63 or 64 designs, something like that. One of those designs became a quote-unquote winning design. It gets over 12 sales a day. And you never, so my point is you never know what can really hit, what can really make sales, what can really make income. You just never know. And the thing is that you can, as an individual, reach extreme heights that you never pictured, you never dreamed of, if only you just stuck with it. I'm sure that this design is not the first design that this person created. Even if it was the first design, it could be a streak of luck. But let's be honest, how many times does that happen to people where the very first design that they create is massively successful? And you could see here, you could take this design and you compare it with the ones under it. What's more graphical? What's harder to make? These designs or that design? I think these designs. But for some reason, like I said, you never know what's going to hit. This person's design hit. I guess you could say it went viral, in the context of Amazon, and he's making money off of it. And to me, this is just extremely inspiring. I mean, motivating, inspiring. There's really no other word to describe it. And for everybody who's out there struggling, this should be a hope for you that you can make it too, right? I mean, I always say, we're standing on the shoulders of giants. We have data here to show us what works and what doesn't work. And I think the number one way that we go wrong is we're always trying to copy other people. We're always trying to replicate. We're always trying to, take market share from somebody else who's already winning. I think if we came up with our own original concepts, that we would be massively successful as well. And, these are just my thoughts. These are my inner thoughts. This is not like a tutorial video. This is not like any one of those other kind of crazy videos where I do guides. I'm just sharing you guys my personal opinions, my thoughts on how inspiring this is. And truly, passive income, there's no shortage of passive income. There's a plethora of passive income in the world. And the fact that this t-shirt can make 30 grand a year, just one design, is amazing. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Hopefully this video impacted you guys in some kind of way. Tell me if this inspired you as well, and let me know. All right? I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.